a year's worth of saving. I only had $1,000 that, that I had saved up myself. And I felt like that was pretty good out of my income, but still, it wasn't going to get me anywhere with what I needed to do for the roof and the side of the house. So anyway, I'm sitting in there sobbing, and there's a knock at the door. And it's a woman, and she says, "Oh, I'm from Habitat for Humanity."
Hi, Gina Bursa here with Canyon County Habitat for Humanity, and we are partnering with Bartlett Roofing for a community outreach project. It takes companies like Bartlett Roofing to step up and be part of our community and help us, because these are big jobs.
We've been able to really help people and go the extra mile. That's what I really love about my job, is that I feel like I'm making a difference in people's lives.